We are greeting you on our site scheduling.shopmetrics.com. Here we will look at the main menu, its capacity and information which you can get. So let's start. The first step is homepage. Here you choose client or survey, business unit and campaign. Based on these criteria, the appropriate information will be displayed below. The total index of the locations, overall score by campaign, as we have only one campaign, so only one result is displayed, and business unit. On the right, you can see last 20 results. The next step is Survey Explorer. Here you choose client or survey, business unit, campaign, and if you need to sort the surveys by the grade, you can use color coding. If you need some additional items, just click on plus, and you will have an opportunity to choose the period from which date to which date. Select the period from the drop-down list to choose last 3 months, last month, this month, and name of the campaign. Then you choose client or survey, questions. If you need one question, just select it from the drop-down list. If you need few questions, click on this icon, push and press Ctrl, and select the questions which you need. Then you choose location, location ID, which you can import, properties, name, city, and country also from the drop-down list, and color coding. Then click on Submit. And based on this criteria, the appropriate service will be displayed below. You will see the name of the survey, location ID, location address, date, score, number of attachments, and status. You can open each survey and to look at it in details, to download it in different formats, and to print it. Then, if you need few surveys, you need to choose the necessary surveys and to download report, to print it, or to export it into formats. The next step is Reports Portal. It is very convenient and important step because here you can download the necessary reports which are ready for use. You can choose period, client and survey, and location. If you need some additional items, just click on plus and you will have an opportunity to choose the period from which date to which date, to select the period from the drop-down list, to choose last 3 months, last month and this month, name of the campaign. Then you choose client or survey, questions, one question or few questions, location, location ID, which you can import, property, name, city and country, properties order, shopper or mailbox, if you know the login, email, mailbox, first name or last name, and color coding. So you can download 3 types of reports: standard reports, special reports, and custom reports. If you will put a cursor on the name of the report, you will see the description of it and the way how it looks like. You can download it in 2 formats. So let's try. The first format is PDF. So we have a ready-for-use report with the diagrams which you cannot change. Let's try to download it in XLS. So you have the same report, but you can move the diagrams to that place which you need. The next step is custom rollups. It is a very convenient step because if you need some information which is not presented here, you can download it by yourself. You need to choose period, from which date to which date, to select the period from the drop-down list, or to choose last 3 months, last month or this month, name of the campaign, client or survey, questions if you need one question or if you need few questions, location ID, which you can import, property, name, city and country, and the items which you need. So, the appropriate information is displayed below. This information you can download too. The next step is Client's Dashboard. Here you choose client or survey, business unit, and campaign. If you need some additional items, just click on plus, and you will have an opportunity to choose the period from which date to which date, to select the period from the drop-down list, to choose last 3 months, last month or this month, name of the campaign, questions, and location. So, and the main indexes will be displayed below. We have seen these indexes previously. You can print it too. The next section is Performance by Question. It is a very convenient section because here you can see which standards, which are presented by questions, you need to pay attention to. They are colored in red. And the next section is Locations Ranking. Here you see location ID, location name, rank, and score. The next step is Net Promoter. If you need this section in your survey form, then the following information will be displayed: current campaign, comparative performance, overall trend by campaign, promoters top, promoters bottom, and detractors top, detractors bottom. As we have no this section in our survey form, so there is no information is displayed. The next step and the last one is Media Explorer. It is a very convenient tab because if you need to look at the main attachments of the survey, you can choose them and to download it separately from the survey. So you choose client or survey, business unit, campaign, a kind of attachment. If you need additional items, just click on plus, and you will have an opportunity to choose the period from which date to which, to select it from the drop-down list, to choose the last 3 months, last month or this month, name of the campaign, client or survey, location, location ID, properties, name, city and country, questions, 1 question or few questions, and a kind of attachment. Then click on Submit, and the appropriate attachments will be displayed below. So, we looked at the main menu, its capacity, and information which you can get. If there are some questions left, or you need some additional records, just contact the responsible manager who will provide you with all necessary information. Thank you for your attention.